To be successful, you don't have to do extraordinary things. Just do ordinary things extraordinarily well. Robert Kiyosaki. In the fast-paced world of finance and wealth building, Robert Kiyosaki's wisdom has inspired countless individuals to reimagine their financial futures. In this video, we peek into the wisdom shared by Robert Kiyosaki through his top 5 passive income cash flow assets. This video has something for everyone, from buying physical rental properties and dividend stock to getting paid for your creativity. Passive income, in simple words, is money earned with little or no direct effort. And it's crucial because it provides financial stability, freedom, and a pathway to wealth accumulation. And it reduces reliance on a 9-to-5 job. In other words, adding financial security and the opportunity to pursue personal passions or spend more time with loved ones. There are many ways to passive income, but Robert Kiyosaki, a famous author, entrepreneur, and financial educator whose insights have transformed the lives of millions, has picked the following 5 passive income cash flow assets for this year. Rental real estate. Real estate investment, well known as a dependable source for generating passive income and building long-term wealth, involves strategically putting your money into tangible assets, also known as physical properties. Real estate investment boils down to purchasing properties with the expectation of profit. The fundamental idea is to leverage these assets to generate income, primarily through rental income, as these assets appreciate in value over time. This dual approach can lead to both cash flow and long-term wealth. There are multiple ways to make passive income using different real estate investment strategies depending on your budget. First is rental properties. This classic method involves buying properties, like homes, apartments, or business spaces, and renting them to people. The money you receive from these rentals is your main source of income. Let's take a closer look at a practical example of real estate investment. In this first example, you buy a duplex, let's say for $250,000. To secure this property, you commit to 20% down payment of $50,000. One unit is rented out at $1,500 per month while you reside in the other. Monthly expenses include a $1,000 mortgage payment, $100 for property management, $100 for maintenance and repairs, and $50 for insurance. This investment generates a monthly rental income of $1,500, from which you subtract $1,250 in expenses. This leaves you with a positive cash flow of $250 monthly, equating to $3,000 annually. Real estate investments provide not only immediate cash flow but also long-term wealth. As tenants pay down the mortgage, your equity grows and properties can appreciate. For instance, with a 3% annual appreciation, a $250,000 investment could become $335,000 in a decade. That's an $85,000 gain on investment. Next is real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short. This is for people who have yet to save up enough money to buy rentable property. REITs are publicly traded companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate assets, providing investors with a share in the income and appreciation. Here's an example of how investing in REITs can provide income and capital appreciation. Let's say you decide to invest in ABC REIT, a publicly traded company that owns and manages commercial properties, such as shopping malls and office buildings. You purchase 1,000 shares of ABC REIT at $20 per share, resulting in a $20,000 initial investment. Now, again, you get 2 passive incomes from it. First is dividend. ABC REIT pays a 10% annual dividend yield, which means you receive $2 per share annually. In this case, with 1,000 shares, you receive $2,000 in dividends each year. And the second is capital appreciation. Over time, if the value of the REIT shares increases, you can profit from the capital appreciation. For instance, if the share price rises to $25 per share, your 1,000 shares would now be worth $25,000, resulting in a $5,000 capital gain. So in this example, your total return from investing in ABC REIT would be $2,000 in annual dividends plus the $5,000 capital gain, totaling $7,000 of passive income. Some reputable REITs known for providing good income and potential for appreciation include Armour Residential REIT, Invesco Mortgage Capital, and Orchid Island Capital, each forecasting over 15% of forward dividend yield. The next passive income of Robert Kiyosaki is dividend stocks. These are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. These dividends are typically paid on a regular basis, often quarterly, in some cases monthly, and provide investors with a steady stream of income. Companies that issue dividends are generally well-established, financially stable, and generate consistent profits. In fact, there are thousands of companies out there that pay dividends, so choosing reliable dividend-paying companies is crucial for long-term passive income. Reliable companies have a history of consistent and increasing dividend payments, indicating financial strength and commitment to shareholders. Dependable dividend stocks offer stability and security for investors, making them an attractive choice for both short-term and long-term income. One thing to keep in mind is that building a diversified dividend stock portfolio is essential to reducing risk and enhance the potential for long-term passive income. You can do this by investing in dividend stocks from various sectors and industries. Think of it as a safety net against economic downturns that might affect specific sectors. And the easiest way to invest in dividend stock is by investing in dividend aristocrats or dividend kings. These are companies that have been consistently paying and increasing dividends for the past 25 years straight. Here's how it works. Consider an example of two dividend stocks, Company A and Company B. Company A, a blue-chip stock with a 7% annual dividend yield and a history of increasing dividends. If you invest $20,000 in Company A, you'll receive $1,400 in annual dividends, providing a consistent source of income. Company B, a high-growth company offering a 5% annual dividend yield. While the yield is lower, the stock has a potential for long-term capital appreciation. Investing $20,000 in Company B may lead to significant capital gains over the years alongside dividends. By combining stocks like Company A for immediate income and stocks like Company B for long-term growth, you create a diversified dividend portfolio that can deliver both short and long-term passive income. This approach balances income and growth potential, catering to different financial goals. The next passive income asset is intellectual property and royalties. Intellectual property is like ideas and creations from your mind, such as books, songs, inventions, or logos. When others use those ideas, they pay the owner something called royalties. For example, when you buy a book, part of the money goes to the author. This way, people who come up with these ideas can make money when others use them. Royalties are like a thank you payment for using someone's smart idea or creation. So if you're someone who likes writing, singing, or have an innovative solution for an existing problem, you can enjoy a consistent stream of royalties from it. Let's say you're an author who pens a series of ebooks and self-publishes them. By investing $2,000 in professional editing and cover design, you introduce a series of ebooks priced at $5 each with a 70% royalty rate. Selling 1,000 ebooks in the first year yields $3,500 in royalties, and the years to come will only add to the existing popularity. What's good about this asset is the immediate cash flow and ongoing royalty benefits over the years to come. And for your innovative solution to a problem, you can safeguard your idea through copyrights, patents, or trademarks. Effective distribution and marketing strategies then make these creations available to the public. Creators can earn income through royalties, licensing fees, or direct sales. This process turns their creative endeavors into lucrative streams of passive income. Many individuals have found financial success by earning royalties from their intellectual property. Icons like J.K. Rowling, known for the Harry Potter series, continues to receive substantial royalties from book sales and adaptations. Musicians like Paul McCartney enjoy ongoing income from their timeless songs. Inventors like Thomas Edison reaped the rewards of their patented inventions, and the list goes on and on and on. Next on our list is online businesses and e-commerce. In recent times, e-commerce and online businesses have surged in popularity, changing the way we buy and sell goods and services. The internet has created a massive marketplace where consumers increasingly prefer the convenience of online shopping. This major shift has opened a wealth of opportunities for entrepreneurs to establish and thrive in online businesses. Online businesses can generate passive income through various strategies. One of the prominent methods is dropshipping, allowing entrepreneurs to partner with suppliers to fulfill customer orders without the burden of managing inventory. Affiliate marketing is another source where individuals earn commissions by promoting products or services on their websites. Additionally, the creation and sale of digital products like ebooks and online courses enable creators to generate passive income by reaching a broad online audience. But like all businesses, you have to check certain boxes before you start your e-commerce business. Start by identifying a niche or specific target audience. A well-designed, user-friendly website is crucial for establishing a credible online presence. If you think starting from scratch could be hard for you, you can start directly from an already established seller platform, like Amazon, by joining their seller platform. Then all you have to do is come up with a winning product for your niche. A comprehensive marketing strategy goes a long way. SEO and paid advertising help attract and retain customers. The benefits of e-commerce and online businesses include the potential for a global customer reach, lower overhead costs compared to traditional brick-and-mortar businesses, flexible work schedules, and scalability as the business grows. Let's say you're an entrepreneur starting an e-commerce store specializing in handmade jewelry. With an initial investment of $5,000 in inventory and website development, the business generated $30,000 in revenue in its first year, with expenses totaling $10,000. This results in a $20,000 profit. Over the next few years, as the business expands and broadens its product range, annual revenue can increase to $100,000. If you are securing 30% of profit margins, this means you can earn up to $30,000 from e-commerce business models. Next on the list is peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding. Peer-to-peer lending is a way for people to lend money directly to other people or businesses through online platforms. It eliminates the need for traditional banks or financial institutions as intermediaries, allowing individuals to earn interest on the money they lend. Crowdfunding, on the other hand, involves a group of people contributing funds to support projects, businesses, or creative endeavors. These platforms facilitate financial connections between lenders or investors and those in need of capital. Peer-to-peer lending offers the potential for attractive returns through earned interest. However, it comes with the risk of borrower defaults. Crowdfunding, while enabling diverse investment opportunities, carries project-related risks, including unsuccessful ventures. Both involve the chance of losing invested capital. On the positive side, these options allow for diversification in investment portfolios and the possibility of generating passive income. Two prominent examples of P2P lending platforms include Lending Club and Prosper. Lending Club, for instance, connects investors with borrowers, enabling individuals to lend money for personal loans. On the crowdfunding front, Kickstarter is a well-known platform where backers support creative projects like films or innovative gadgets. Indiegogo is another platform that allows crowdfunding for various ventures from tech startups to charitable causes. Consider an investor who places $20,000 on a P2P lending platform like Lending Club. This investor selects loans offering an average interest rate of 6%. Over time, the investor accumulates monthly interest payments and principal repayments from the borrowers. If the investor successfully diversifies their investment across various loans, the potential annual return can be around 5 to 7%, which means from his $20,000 investment, he can earn close to $1,400 every year. And the same is the case for crowdfunding. Let's say someone or your friend is a budding filmmaker with a dream to create an independent movie. She turns to the crowdfunding platform Kickstarter to gather the $50,000 needed for her project. You decide to support her by contributing $10,000 to her campaign. In return, your friend promises to provide you a 20% profit share. Once the movie is out and starts making money, let's say it grossed $100,000 in income. You will get a $20,000 share of those profits. The best thing about crowdfunding is that it can be in any niche, so you can invest in something you really believe in. It could be an innovative product, a patent, or a creative solution to a problem. In this video, we talked about Robert Kiyosaki and his top 5 passive income cash flow assets for this year. But you may want to follow the buy and hold strategy for your investment. For this, watch our video on 6 best Vanguard EFTs to buy and hold forever, where we show you EFTs that turn thousands into millions.